Hi everyone, my name is Alexia and I'm a Reach Peer Educator in the Center for Student Wellbeing. I know during this time we are spending a lot of time at home and may not be going to social gatherings in which alcohol is present. With this, you may be having to pour your own drinks, and this is making it a good time to learn the proper standard serving sizes for alcohol so that way you can pour your own drinks and make sure that you're staying safe. As young adults, some students may choose to drink alcohol or choose not to. I want to acknowledge that not drinking is the safest and healthiest decision, and that the legal drinking age in the state of Florida is 21 years old. Now, some students may drink before they are 21 years old and risk certain consequences, but ultimately the choice is up to you. As a peer health educator, I would like to share with you some information on how to keep you and your friends safe in situations involving alcohol. To do this, today I'll be showing you an activity to help better understand the standard drink sizes of popular alcohol drinks so that way you can help avoid over-serving yourself and friends. Now, to do this activity, I will be going downstairs to the kitchen and having my sister join me.
Hi everybody, I'm Brittany and we're here in my kitchen with my sister to demonstrate a drink pouring activity today.
So I'll be showing you where the standard drinking sizes of different types of alcohol. So she'll be showing you what she thinks is one drink for beer, wine, and liquor. So if you can go ahead and open up the bottle and pour me a drink for all three of these. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys what the actual serving size is for these different types of alcohol. So right here I have the line for 12 ounces of beer, which we're going to see how much. So as you can see that she went just a little overboard on the beer, so we have just a little bit over of what 12 ounces really is. Now, we're supposed to have a serving size of wine is 5 ounces. Let's see what she has. So there, that's almost, close to twice as much. Here's 5 ounces and this is 12, so she's getting near that 10 ounce mark. And for liquor, a serving size is 1.5 ounces, which is the small line down at the bottom. And I think she hit it almost right on the mark. So now I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna explain how hard it is to eyeball different types of drink. Hi, welcome back. So after this activity, you can see how difficult it is to visually estimate the correct serving size for one drink, especially with alcohol that have very different alcohol contents. Because of these varying alcohol contents, the amount that you have poured for a beer is going to be so much more than you have poured for liquor. So in cases that you choose to drink, knowing these estimates can help you watch your BAC and stay in the green zone. Thank you for tuning in to today's activity. I hope you learned a little bit about how to measure and keep track of your drinks. Stay tuned for more video shorts from the Center for Student Wellbeing to provide you the knowledge and resources on how to keep yourself happy, healthy, and safe. And as always, go Bulls!